so much fun. But I have to say, but I think I said it in there, I'm not sure if I'm using that bit of the video, it's so extremely bumpy. I mean, you can probably see, I mean, let's see if the so yeah, it's ice and underneath there is sand or whatever, because like I said, it's a motocross track, so obviously this car is just not suitable. It's just feels like it's falling apart, but it's still a lot of fun. It's better than drifting somewhere around the shopping center. So I reckon we'll do a couple more laps and we'll just go home, because it's getting dark. It's getting dark here. I mean, obviously a lot of cars who drive here today, they have proper motorsport spikes on their tires. I have road tires with questionable age and quality, which I bought for 4,000 rubles. Whoa, 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 whoa. Better than what I had before, but and those bumps, it feels like the car is falling apart. Still fun. So yeah, I mean, you've seen it yourself. It's fun, but like I said, not without its jaws. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely better than just going and drifting somewhere at the car park. I mean, you can even see what I've done. That's my bucket seat, because I need to see it a bit more upright. But yeah, the car seems to survive all the abuse I'm giving it, and let's just hope that it will make it to UK by itself. It should do. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.